Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Proficient Boy. So today we are going to learn about how to file GST reports for online seller. So guys, there are two reports mainly which we need to file. First GSTR1 report and second GSTR3B. These are two returns which is mandatory to file for online sellers. So now the question comes that how do we file? So as we all know that Amazon provides GSTR ready to file report, but Flipkart and Meesho do not provide GST ready to file reports. So if you sell on Amazon, only on Amazon e-commerce platform, then that is the best that you will get GST ready to file, and you can easily file report from that Excel sheet. But if you sell on Flipkart, Meesho, Amazon and offline also, let's we not talk about offline because I don't sell offline, we all sell online. Let's assume that we all are online sellers and we sell online like we on other platforms like Flipkart, Meesho and Amazon. So how to file GST in that case? So in that case we need to compute GST reports. So we will make an Excel file for computation of GST reports, in which we will collect data from Amazon, Flipkart and Meesho and bring it on a single Excel sheet. So now the question came, how will we make? So guys, for convenience of you guys, I am linking that Excel sheet below to my description, and the video where you can learn how to file GST returns and what are GSTR1, what are GSTR3B, which you can learn easily, and I learned from that video. I hope that you guys can also learn and you guys will be able to file your own GST reports by yourself. So I am linking that video, make sure you check out that video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much.